Right, my search for lifeboats has come to an end. In the previous update with the Davits, I said I was going to ask Craig. Unfortunately, his software doesn't allow to print off that small. So a couple of days later, on Britmodeller Forums, a guy called Tony messaged me because I put an advert on the wanted section, and he responded and he says, Wayne, I can do them. Send me the STL files and I'll let you know. And there was automatically in 1/400 scale that we discovered off of Roman. So Tony printed off one lifeboat and it measured, I think it was 20 to 22 millimeters. I'll check in a minute. And he said, Wayne, it's well within the tolerance, so I'm going to print you 30 off, and I'll let you know. A couple of days later, he messaged me again and he said, Wayne, these lifeboats have come out an absolute treat. You should see the detail on them, and you're going to have some fun with the guidelines. You might need one of those watchmaker's eyeglasses because the guidelines are really tiny, but you can see them. And he says, right. He says, as far as cost goes for the 30 lifeboats, I'll do you them for £5, and that's including postage. He gave me the PayPal family share, his email address for his account. And I thought, out of his kindness, because he was really nice to me over the messaging, over the email, and he was, willing to do them for a £5. I'll give him an extra £5 as a big thank you for being so kind and getting them off so quick. So these arrived a couple of days ago, and I've been waiting for some sunshine to come through the window, and I'll show you what these look like. Right, so here they are. I think there's actually 39 all told. I don't know if he had an extra batch or something, I don't know. But he printed me off 39 for a £5, and I'll give him an extra £5 as a thank you, so these cost me a tenner. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up though. I don't know. Let me just get my knife. I don't know if you can see the guidelines. There, them all like a curl all the way down. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Let me try zooming in. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can just about see them myself on the screen of my phone. And Tony said you're going to have some right fun painting those. Zoom back out again. Right, now where's my ruler? Right, there's my little roller over there. Right, let's get my little ruler. Whoops. Right, so these measure 22 mil long. I think it's about 5 or 6 mil high. Yeah, they're about 4 or 5 mil high, and they're wide. Yeah, 6 mil. Also, these don't come with covers, but that's how Roman designed them. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to figure out how to put some covers on. I actually thought about using some Play-Doh. If I can get some beige coloured Play-Doh and just fill some of those in to make it look like covers. We'll see what happens. But yeah, these are awesome. Tony's done an absolutely tremendous job with the printing, and Roman has done a tremendous job with designing them. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for these. And so with me Davits as well, I can actually start measuring up now on the on the deck now. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this. Right, where have I put them? Right, where have I put them? I'm going to pause this a sec. Also, I bought some 1mm square strips. So that's going to make me lifeboat racks to go behind the davits, and then the lifeboats will sit on those. I've also bought some kind of angle edging tool off Temu. So I'll put the strips through there, and I can cut them at an angle, and hopefully that will give me better gluing surface. I think this is about £2 off Temu. So basically, you put your whatever you need to cut on the inside, and then you get your blade, stick it through that gap, and then cut them down. Yeah, a nice little solution off Temu. Right, so firstly, I'd like to thank Roman Poppertoff on the Facebook groups. Thank you very much, Roman, for sending me them files. I would have paid for them. If you still need me to pay for them, I'll pay for them, not a problem. And to Tony for printing them off. And Tony, you've done an absolute tremendous job, mate, and so have you, Roman. And Tony, don't worry about the tenner. I wanted to give you a bit extra as a thank you. So that's me lifeboats done. And now I've got to start doing everything on the deck for the davits.